Hi guys, welcome to Life with Wheels, and today we are going to unbox the Xbox One. Now this unboxing is very special because of number one, it is one of the expensive unboxings on our channel, and number two, it is our first 4K video. So without wasting the time, let's get started. So I ordered this unbox from Paytm Mall. As you can see, there is a big Paytm Mall logo here, and there it's actually everywhere. Even the tape says Paytm Mall. So the reason why I purchased it from Paytm Mall is because it was listed for 42,531 rupees and I paid 49 rupees for shipping. Also from Paytm I actually got a cashback of 5,000 rupees. Now I did went to Chroma to see at what price they were retailing this Xbox One X, and it was 46,000 rupees. So I think I saved quite a lot of money here. So let's remove this seal off. Let's see what we get. Not coming out. To have rip this apart. There's a lot of tape around this area. Just cut it off. Come on. This knife is okay. The seller did a good job using the tape. Finally, the seller is off. Let's keep it aside and let's jump into the unboxing. And let me remove these tapes. There are lots and lots of see if I took this. No, what's this? Okay, this knife is good for nothing. So guys, here is our Xbox One X. Okay, this is heavy. No, what the shit is saying? So here's One X 4K HDR. So I'll be able to play 4K games, movies, and other stuff on this. So here's the seal. Let's cut off the seal and see what's inside. Okay, let me see what's in this box. So here the HDMI cable, the power cord, and this is the controller. It's a wireless controller. Great. And I think also, and two batteries, and that's a good at least. That much money. And a few Xbox manuals. Let's keep this aside and take the Xbox out now. Let's take this boy out. I might have to stand up for this one. Okay. Just pull it out. Okay guys, This is the Xbox. Now I can see a few more booklets inside the box, so let's see what's this. So I got Xbox Game Pass and Xbox Live Gold, so that's it. Now let me take it out of the polythene or whatever this is. You guys, keep this on the floor. Open the sleeve. Oh, so finally it's off. One more thing. And here it is, guys. The Xbox One X. Finally it's out of the box. It's quite heavy actually. And there's one USB port here, vents for air on the both side, and at the back power cord, 2 HDMI, 2 USB IR output, and 4 Ethernet cable. So that's it, guys. The Xbox One X unboxing, and if you want you can buy it from paytm for 37,500 rupees and pay a little bit extra for shipping, and I think that's really a great deal. So guys, thanks for watching, and if you like our video, please subscribe to our channel.